tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much.
Hello loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Because of the holiday season and of course Valentine's Day, I decided to make some hair inspo for you. Today I'm gonna create 4 hairstyles that are so easy to recreate and perfect for those special occasions. You can of course wear it like an everyday hairstyle as well. Why not, right? So let's get started.
So for our first hairstyle, we're gonna need a hair elastic, and we'll select our crown section and tie it using this elastic. Now we're gonna make an opening and bring our fingers through this opening like I'm showing, and grabbing one small section from one side, you want to bring it through this opening and change your hands and bring your index and thumb finger through the opening again with another hand. So as we are bringing hair from one side, we are changing our hands and we are grabbing another sections from another side and bring it through this opening again. As you can see, it's easier to see once than explaining, so you want to repeat these steps over and over again. Of course, for this purpose you can use that topsy tail tool, but I decided that it's easier to make it with what basically everyone has at home, because not all of you has these tools, I'm sure about that. And then you can loosen it a bit and accessorize it with a pearl or a kind of diamond clip like I did. For the next hairstyle, we want to select our side sections, and grabbing the rest, we want to make a ponytail. Loosen a bit your top to make it beautiful looking, and then grabbing a pencil, a Chinese stick or a makeup brush depending on what you have laying around, and then grabbing sections from one side, you want to bring it over our stick like I'm showing, and we want to repeat them. We want to grab one small section from one side and bring it over the stick, and then bringing another section from another side and bring it over the stick. You can create how many sections you need.
What you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
Then you're going to grab your separated sections, bring it under the ponytail and tie them all together like that, and then remove your pen, stick or pencil from your hairstyle, loosen it a bit. You want to use some hairspray if needed. Loosen your sections so everything looks nice, classic and polished looking, and you're done. For our next hairstyle, we want to select our top section and we will tie it, and then we want to separate it, leaving it for later, and we want to select another 2 sections from opposite sides and tie them both together, creating a ponytail as well.
I put my feet up and we just sing along.
Now, selecting our first section, we want to make a nice opening and bring upwards our ponytail like that, and then kind of making our pull through braid. We want to bring our second ponytail through our sections like that, clipping for later and adding more hair to the first sections. We want to make a ponytail, and we will continue like a pull through braid. We divide our first section into 2 and then bringing second one through the middle and pin it away for later. Grabbing our 2 sections from first ponytail, we want to add more hair and tie them. pull your created loops like that, making them full and voluminous. And we want to continue these steps over and over again until we have no more hair to add.
Stay here forever, 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 forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
And now we want to simply divide our first section into two and tie it under our second section like I'm showing. If your hair is longer than mine, of course you'll have more loops to make, or you can stop creating just like a ponytail, not a braid, or you can hide the ends under created updo if your hair is shorter than mine.
Here together. If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving.
So, as we finish our braid, if your hair is mid-length, you want to simply crisscross underneath your section and bring all the sections together. You want to tie them and pull your created loops to make your braid beautiful looking. Now we want to divide our first section into two clearly like I'm showing and pin it from the sides. I decided to add a pearl to my hairstyle, and look at this heart pull through braid. That's really perfect hairstyle for Valentine's Day. Am I right?
It's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all
Now for the last hairstyle, we want to select two sections from both sides of our crown section, tie them both together. Guys, here you have to be so tidy, but I am not, and this was hard. Now we want to grab a section from one side, bring it through our ponytail like I'm showing, and then we want to make a loop and bring our section through created loop like that. So we want to repeat on other side as well and tie these sections together, and it will look like a heart. I'm sure you see this heart inspo for Valentine's, but I decided to take a step further and not copy everyone and make an updo.
ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel.
So we want to grab again two sections from the side, bring them through our created heart and bring it through created side loop. Then you want to
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
grab your two sections from the side, tie them both together, creating your second heart. So guys, if you are a tidy girl, you can do more hearts, but for me this was enough, and that was a good arm workout for me. So I decided to finish my updo with a braid and tie the ends using a clear elastic on last time, making sure pulling it halfway through so no ends will stick out. Then I'll simply roll up my created braid and pin it in place, crisscrossing our good bobby pins. If you need more bobby pins, definitely use them so our updo will be well fixed in place. And you can use some hairspray if needed, and your romantic updo is ready.
I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, please don't forget about thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. Also tell me please in comments down below which of these hairstyles was your favorite and what kind of hairstyles you'd like to see more on Awesome Hairstyles channel. But that's it for today. Love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day, yeah.